Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how do we install Python in Windows machine. You know, Python is a very popular language nowadays. As per stated here, Python is powerful, fast, plays well with others, run everywhere, and so on. But in this video we'll see the basic, just an introduction, and how do we use Python in command line, and how do we use other editors to run Python. Now you have to go to this URL python.org, then go to download. You can directly download this Python 3.10.7. This is the latest version now we have, but whatever the latest version is, you can take that latest version. You can just double click this exe and you can upgrade, or you can use the custom installation. I have Python 3.7 in my machine. Just all of you have to do is just next. That's it. Here I'm canceling. Yes. And after once that installation is done, you have to open your command prompt and you have to see which version of Python is installed. So Python ---- version, and that will returns you what's the active installation of the Python version. If you don't have that version, you can go and edit your system variables as your Python root exe, and you can update the variables there, and you can come and type that Python version ---- then that will returns you Python version. Okay, now the Python is installed. Now just check that Python is actually installed or not in this one. So I'm just typing Python, and it should gives the information like what's the version that you have installed and help, copyright, and everything. Now in this window itself you can just start to type. This is a command line window, but you have to just start from this one. First you can use this command prompt as a Python console, so you can just type it as your calculator 1 plus 1, and it will returns you the answer, and 2 minus 3 minus 2, it gives you 1. 3 into 3, 9. 4 divided by 2, and gives you a floating point number. Yeah, now it's working fine, but it will be very difficult for you to type in this window always. So what I'm doing is I have to get some robust IDE. So you can go and download Visual Studio Code. You can go and type Visual Studio VS, just you can type also VS Code. You can go and get this from this link, download for Windows. Once that's downloaded, you can just give next, and your environment is ready. And now you need some set of plugins in order to run the Python in this one. So what I'm doing is just run code. Here you can see hello world. This is how it is. You have to go to the extension session. This is the 4 buttons are available here. You have to type code runner, and this is the plugin. You can run all the languages, merely all the languages, C, C++, Java, JS, Python, everything you can run there. It's been given a list of lines, languages. You can go and use it. And you need one more, that's called Pylons. Pylons is given by Microsoft. It provides the IntelliSense for this IDE. So whenever you have typing this print, these all recommendations that IntelliSense coming here, you can get it from this IntelliSense called Pylons. So I'm creating one file here. Just new hello.py, and I'm writing print hello, and right click, run the code, and hello is printed. If you want to clear here, you can just type cls ob cleared. Okay, this is just an installation of Python, what and all we need as an environment setup to learn Python. Thanks for watching.